Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a little game for you guys. I thought we would switch it up a little bit. So today we're playing Who is Most Likely To, and as you've seen, we've got a special guest today. We've got a special guest, very special guest. We have my fiancé in the house, in the building, in the video, whatever you want to say. We've got my fiance here, Farai. If you want to catch him in his socials, I'm going to link everything in the description box and also do a little pop-up for you guys. So let's jump straight into the video. So the way the game works is that there's going to be a few questions that are asked, and then one of us is going to put who we think is most likely to do that. So for me, we're going to have this afro comb here, so that's going to represent me. So whenever each one of us puts this up, this is me, tatenda. And then we've got this controller, this black controller for Farai, because you know, FIFA is live.
That's a lie, but anyway.
So we've got this black controller for Farai. So tatenda, Farai. So let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first question is, who made the first move? So I'm gonna count us down and then we're gonna say who made the first move. So 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I made the first move. It's a very windy story, but long story short,
She texted me first. She texted me first.
Long story short,
She hit me up.
I saw him at a party, and we had already known each other like at that point in time from church and stuff. So I saw him there and I was excited because I was like, oh, you know, someone that I know at the party. So I got his number from the group, the church group for the youth that we have. And then I messaged him, I was like, oh, I can see you. And then he didn't respond until like ages later in the night. So I guess one would say that I made the first move. Yeah, whatever.
All right, second question is, who planned the first date? Okay, so I'll count us down. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. What do you mean? I planned the first date. I planned the first date.
Oh, he did plan the first date, but it wasn't.
I took you to that place in Dandenong up there. I was late. You know, remember?
Yes, so he's considering that our first date. I was thinking of the first time that we were together, but that wasn't a date. That was just a birthday thing. We were just going out as friends as a birthday. We weren't officially together. So I sort of put together the first time we met because I was like, oh, it's your birthday, blah, blah. I really wanted to watch Selma. So I was like, oh, let's go watch Selma. We should watch it together. You had promised. So that was the first time that we hung out. But the first date, he's definitely the one who planned the first date. Yeah. I think the first day we went...
Put some respect on my name. Isn't that the same... The time... anyway, let's move on. Next
question is, who is more romantic? 3.
I plan all the good stuff. This woman's lazy as heck. I plan all the surprises. She always asks me what I want to do. That's not romantic. That's what do you want for your birthday? What do you want to do? That's not romantic. Get out of here. I win this round.
Yes. He's the more romantic one. He plans the good dates. I plan the sentimental dates. I can do good birthdays.
You didn't even engage me. It was me who engaged you.
He's still waiting for me to engage him, apparently. Okay, next question.
Who is more high maintenance? 3, 2, 1. I think that is self-explanatory. That doesn't... What? Why are you saying I'm more high maintenance? How?
I am.
How?
I wouldn't say I'm high maintenance. I just like what I like. I know what I like. It's good to know what you like. There's nothing wrong with knowing what you like.
God, she's so picky about where she eats. Oh man. Pray for me, guys. Pray for me. Pray for me. Goodness me.
Okay, so the next question is, who is more likely to start an argument? 3, 2, 1.
I don't know.
Really?
It's. I would
That's
say
very humble of both of us.
I would say I start arguments because I say whatever I feel, and sometimes what I have to say is not appreciated. But at the same time, this person has a lot of mood swings and stuff. But I would say to me, I think sometimes I need to be nicer, as I've been told, and So I would say it's me. Why are you saying it's you?
I thought it was me because I'm always the one that ends up. You always say you're always starting arguments because I'm sensitive. Long story short, tatenda sensitive.
That's true. That's true.
I'm always offended.
Hyper sensitive.
Listen, let's relax. Yeah. Okay. Next question.
Who's more likely to apologize? Who's more likely to apologize first? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Well, that's me, man. This homegirl's too proud, too much pride. Too much pride. You guys need to pray for her.
Not saying
for the Lord to help her.
I do apologize, okay? I do apologize.
Okay. Don't start another argument.
So moving on from that, the next question is, who is more annoying? Let's count us down. Let's give each other some time to think about this one. I know we can get it wrong. 3, 2, 1.
I've chosen not to put anything up.
Wow. Okay, all right. Wow.
Yeah. I wouldn't say you're annoying. I mean, I enjoy your company. Disagreements can take place and stuff, and I don't think I'm annoying. I don't know. I'm interested to know why you're attacking me and calling me annoying.
I'm not attacking you. You have to pick. There's no good guy in this. Yeah, you have to pick one. Please, can you pick one so we can move on? I think we're equally as annoying to each other. I mean, we're two completely different people and, we're trying to get along together and live in harmony together.
I thought there's no good guy, bad guy, so... What are you
Long
explaining?
Story short, I find Farah annoying sometimes. He finds me annoying sometimes.
I admit I annoy her on purpose at times.
He does. That's
it's
the
fun.
thing. He
it's
purposely sometimes triggers me for the point of triggering me because he knows he's gonna get a reaction because I'm sensitive.
It's fine.
So what do you expect? Next question.
I've forgotten.
Wow.
Wow. What's the question? Next question. Who is the loudest? 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Yeah.
Is this the loud? So loud.
I'm a typical African,
Oh my god.
We only know one way to speak.
He actually has to increase the volume on his car all the way to the highest when he's talking to me on Bluetooth.
Whether it's my headphones, whether it's my car, whether it's what, I can't understand or hear her half the time. Even when we're together, sitting, having dinner, and she's across me, I'm like, huh? I mean, speak!
Anywho, next question. The next question is, who is more likely to bungee jump?
Bungee jump.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, you know. Hey, as much as I would like to meet the Lord, I don't want to rush the process, eh? Let it happen naturally. Huh?
I'm all for trying new adventures. I may be scared, I may cry, but I'll enjoy it after, and I'll have some really good photos as well, so I don't mind.
She grew up with white people. She has white tendencies. Yeah, from Africa, hey. Where we come from, there's no life insurance.
Oh, God.
All right, next question. Who is more likely to get arrested? 3, 2, 1. I don't know.
Oh, really? Wow.
I think Tatenda doesn't break the law. I don't even understand why she's putting a comma. She does not break the law. She doesn't even jaywalk, crossing the road in the mid without using the traffic lights or the robots. She doesn't even jaywalk. She barely gets any speeding or traffic violations.
I'm a good
so I don't understand how you would get arrested.
I think if there's anything that I'll get arrested for, it's for talking to the or like being aggressive to the police officer, or like, because I know my rights, and
that's
I'm more
white
than
people.
happy to.
Those white people tendencies I was telling you.
And I know I'm more
if the
than
police
happy
come
to tell
to
you
me,
my rights.
I will give them what they want and I will shut up. But I think she's a white person with rights. And
no, I don't think I'm a white person. I just know my rights. It's good to know your rights,
You have the right to remain silent.
No.
If you not watch the movies. That's it.
Oh my gosh. Next question. The next question is, who is more likely to get mad on the wedding day? So not at each other, but if something goes wrong or whatever, who's more likely to get mad? 3, 2, 1. Mr. Perfectionist. Mr. Perfectionist.
It's my wedding. If we have practiced the steps, let us do them right. If I've hired you to be a DJ, do the right thing. Am I asking too much?
No pressure to anyone we're gonna hire as the DJ, anyone who's gonna be in our bridal team. No pressure. Sorry, not sorry. So yeah, that's all we have for today. If you guys have any questions that you think we missed, or any other challenges or things that you think we should do together, let us know, or let me know in the comment section below. And make sure to like the video if you like the video, and comment your thoughts. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys next week. I love you.
Mwah. Passing remark or something.
Mwah. Oh, sorry, Farah has something he wants to say. Come on, Farah.
Hey, thank you so much for having me on your channel, and thank you to everyone who supports her videos.
Yeah,
I'm really grateful. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting her. It means a lot. She's a very nice person who genuinely loves what she does, and I'm so happy that so many of you have been inspired by what she does. But these are all the questions we had today. If we have missed anything out, or if you'd like to know anything else about our relationship, feel free to write questions in the comment section, and who knows, maybe we might do another video.